So this is the ZHIYUN G60 combo, and I think it is fantastic. So you have the light, you have your light modifier, you have your ZY mount to Bowens-Mount adapter here. You also have a soft box that it comes with. And then you have your nice little tripod. And of course you have your power cable and extremely long power cord that comes with this as well. But these are the major parts of the combo, and I think it's great, especially for beginners into taking photography or videography. You also have a case that you can actually use it to travel with. It is just a great light, and I think it's going to be something fantastic for anyone who wants to be able to really capture or take or step up their game as far as capturing good video and photo. I wish I had this when I started out, but now it's available to you, so I think it's really great.